Hi guys, you're welcome back to Ionitemi TV. It is your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome to this channel. So today I'm going to be doing vlog. It's been a while I've done this, so I don't know why I don't like doing it, but I just need to summon some courage and and do it once in a while. It's not even time that you'll be seeing sit down videos. So today, it's been a while that I've been planning to prepare a special delicacy for my husband, like not the regular food. So today we are going to prepare Ibadan food, and that is amala with gbegiri and ewedu. Is that gbegiri that is the difference? I so much enjoy this meal, and my husband so much enjoy that. And anytime we feel like eating it, we always go out to eat it. Today, I'm going to prepare this at home. It's been a while I've been procrastinating it. I don't know why I don't know why, but I just feel like it's a lot of stress. No, today I'm gonna make it. So guys, let's cook together. And in case you don't know how to prepare it, well, did I not prepare it? I will find my way around it. I'll find my way around it. So let's let's dive into cooking now. Alright. Firstly, I'm going to start by soaking my beans in order for it to peel easily. These are the tomatoes I want to use for the sauce, but I'm going to sort it out first because I don't trust this market to me. I know that they will still insert spoiled one inside, so I need to sort them out. Peeling of beans was one of the toughest house chores that I love to run away from when I was growing up, because it's always very hard for me to peel. Sometimes we had to use mortar and pestle to peel it. Sometimes we had to put it on this traditional blending and stone for us to be able to peel it. But when I discovered this hack that you don't have to soak it for long, just soak it a little while, so it's going to peel easily. So when you let it to stay for a long time, when you are soaking it, it might be difficult for you to peel it. But when you soak and you peel, like let me just say 5 to 6 minutes after soaking, so I discovered that it's peeled easily. And so after peeling it, then I will have to soak it further in order for me to be able to blend it, and so that it won't spoil my blender. So I think that's the difference. When you soak too much, it will be difficult to peel, but when you soak for a short period of time, it's going to peel easily. Now it is time for us to boil the peeled beans. Now we are going to boil it so that we'll be able to blend it. Guys, let me ship it a very short gist into my cooking vlog. When I'm husband, when we're dating, so you usually send me pictures of food, pictures of amala, vegetable inside pot. I was like, wow, this is great, this is nice, and by the time we got married, I was like, babe, how come I prepare vegetable now? He was like, he can't prepare. I said, I don't understand. Come and prepare okra. He said he cannot prepare it. I said, how now? But you usually send me pictures of vegetables when we're on campus there. So have you lost your cooking skill? Like, I know that it was his friend that usually cooks it. I was like, no, you must be kidding me, right? No, you must actually be kidding me. Like, so all the vegetables you used to send to me, like all the vegetables that, like, oh my god, all the vegetables that be sending me when we were dating then. So you're not the one that cooked. But like, did I ask that? Is it the one that cooked it? I was like, wow, really, seriously? So because I didn't ask that who cooked it, so I just, well, serious, that was a fault on my own side. I think I would have asked that who cooked it, so I was just assuming that it was him that cooked it, not knowing that it was his friend that prepares all those delicacies. So, but I can say that, well, right now my husband cannot cook swallow. Yeah, cannot but at least if it's beans, yes, guru in beans. If it's indomie, yes, jollof rice. There was a day I traveled and my husband surprised me with jollof rice. Like, I was like, wow. Like, in fact, let me bust your bubble. It was my friend that came back from that trip, so because it was kind of late, so she had to sleep over. So when I served her the food, and she was like, why did I see jollof rice now that I didn't bring food from the event? And did I was like, it was my husband that cooked it. She was like, no, I must be joking. It was not my husband that cooked it, but like, it was my husband that cooked it, because like, seriously, I was so surprised. But so I think the best thing is just to leave these guys, let them find their way around it. But I think they kind of get lazy when we are at home. So I wish one day we are going to do cooking vlog and my husband is going to prepare vegetable soup for me. I'm hoping that day, I'm going to, I know that he's going to learn. So of course, it's not as if he does not really know how to, but he has not really tried it. So, but let's just hope that one of these days my husband is going to prepare that delicacy for me after putting him through. You get it? So that's the end of my gist. The end point is that ask all questions. Like, don't just assume. I assume that it was not that I was cooking the vegetable, not knowing that it was his friend. No, it was really shocking to me. Seriously, I was like, are you serious? Like, so now it's time to blend the beans. So can you see now? This is ewedu. English people, they call it jute leaf. So I'm going to be preparing the jute leaf. That's ewedu. Well, if you are team ijabe, let me know in the comment section. And if you are team blending, let me know in the comment section. But as for me, I'm team blending. I don't like that ijabe, and the reason why I don't like it, because I love my ewedu to be very smooth, and ijabe will not really give me that smoothness. Or I don't know if peradventure it is me that I don't know how to use the ijabe, but I was not trained to use ijabe. I can't remember my mom using ijabe, so she also uses a blender to blend it. So probably that is why I don't know how to use the ijabe. But one of the major challenge with the blender is the drawness. There's a ability that the ewedu will not really draw. So what I do most times is that I try to add little okra to it, so the okra will aid the drawness of the ewedu, you understand. So another alternative that I usually do when I was in school was that do you know this cashew leaf? There's this young cashew leaf that is just sprouting, like the small one, you get what I'm saying, like the one that is just I don't know, Greek people, what's the name called, the young leaf, the young one. So if you blend it with the ewedu, man, this thing is going to draw. Yes, I can guarantee you that it is going to draw. So some people use corn, which I don't really use it. So the best thing I do is that I try to add little okra to it. But the reason I'm not adding okra to it, because it's just the plain ewedu. Yeah, let me put it like that. So it's just the plain ewedu. So that's why I'm not adding okra to it. So babe, at those points, can you guess what I'm cooking?
Looking at what I'm seeing, actually, it's looking like gbegiri and ewedu.
Who told you that one?
I can see ewedu. I can see beans.
Okay. So what?
You blended the beans.
What is it?
So
who told you that gbegiri is blended beans?
I don't know.
Who told that gbegiri is blended
beans? I should guess. I'm guessing.
Who taught you that one? So what that one to be like?
Hey, that's what maybe amala and gbegiri and ewedu.
Not semo.
Not
semo. Your share is amala.
Yes.
I know that you know gbegiri, like I'm like, oh, so yeah, become you don't.
So Okay,
let's see if you are correct. Let's see if you are correct. If it's Gbegiri and Ewedu sincerely, let's see if you are correct. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Cooking continues. Yeah. The assistant cooker, assistant chef. At those points, I don't really know the next thing to do, but I just know that gbegiri is always oily, so that was why I put palm oil to change the color, you understand. So for the professionals that is watching this video, can you let me know in the comment section if I've done anything wrong in this? Is the color okay and all of that? Let us know in the comment section. Yes, for people that, you know, we are still beginner in this cooking business. It is time to turn our amala and gbegiri amala, that is salt, that original Ibadan amala, Oyo people Ibadan. What am I saying? Oyo people amala. Yes. So there's one thing I noticed about this gbegiri: it gets thicker by the time it is cold. So I had to add more water because I don't like the thickness. I had to add more water to it so that by the time it gets cold, it won't be too thick. This is the final phase of the amala turning. I exerted all the energy I have in order to make sure that this amala is very soft. Like, can you see? It is very soft. You know, I always love how these people in restaurants, the way they scoop that amala, very soft. This one is not as soft as their own. Like, it was so smooth. I like. This is so appealing to eat. Yes, so guys, me using spoon to make O by fire by thunder. This O must be deep in order to accommodate all the stew. You know, can you see our gbegiri, ewedu, and stew? So guys, like, this is really appealing, and you know, there is this joy inside of me that, wow, I was able to achieve this with a very good appearance. So guys, can you see? Afa, hope it smells amala sky standard a little bit.
This is heaven.
Really delicious. Heaven on it, Abi. Oh yeah, help me rate it.
This is 11 over 10.
What did you say?
11 over 10.
11 over 10.
That's really sweet. Really sweet. This is one of the best amala, gbegiri, and ewedu that I've ate in a very long time. It's been a while. This is really nice.
I think last year, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Last year, April. So it's been a while. So enjoy your meal.
Yeah, thank you for this wonderful meal. I'm enjoying it.
See you next time. Seriously, at this point, like I've lost my battle. Like, the stress in the in the cooking room, the kitchen. Like, you know I see, but seriously, I've kind of lost my battle. But I guess when I start eating, the appetite is going to pop up, you know, because it's one of my favorites. So guys, if there's any mistake I made, just let me know in the comment section, because seriously, that's gbegiri. I just did move to the answer. So if I made any mistake, just let me know in the comment section. If it's that the oil is too much, if it's that okay, it's not, the face is not popping well, just let me know in the comment section. For the experts that know how to prepare this food very well, Ibadan people or young people that know how to prepare this food very well, just let me know. So alright guys, thank you for watching to the end of my cooking vlog for my book. Hey.
Okay guys.
So we see you in our next video. Keep starring. Bye bye.